Let's take a walk down memory lane. Circa 2013, Los Angeles, California, TV presenting, celebrity chefing.
Oysters with my palm sugar, lime and caviar. Pre-David Wolf days, I would have said chocolate. Post-David Wolf days, I'm going to say green kale smoothies. Cream. Drive. Handbags. Sunshine. Shake. Chai latte brulee with a cinnamon gelée and a maple cream. Oh, amazing. Pop. Cracker. Pepper. Oysters to start, followed by steak. You'll know wait, your man's heart is really something. Not runny, but not hard, just in the middle. Yes, please. Weather. Pumping. Bride. Me. Paula Abdul. Kale. Cucumber. Oh, goji berries. Amazing.